The Bunyan Marsoos attack refers to a significant military operation conducted by the Pakistan Air Force in May 2025, marking a major escalation in the conflict between Pakistan and India. This operation was launched as a retaliatory measure following alleged Indian missile strikes on key Pakistani military installations. Date and time of the attack. Initial Indian strikes. In the early hours of Saturday, May 10, 2025, around 2 a.m., India reportedly launched missile attacks targeting three major Pakistani airbases, Nur Khan, Murid, and Shorkot. The Guardian. Pakistan's response, Operation Bunyan Marsoos. Approximately an hour later, around 3:30 a.m., Pakistan initiated its counter-offensive, codenamed Operation Bunyan Marsoos, targeting multiple Indian military sites. The Guardian. Key features of Operation Bunyan Marsoos: strategic targeting. The operation focused on 26 critical Indian sites, including airfields and command centers in regions such as Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, and Rajasthan. The Guardian. Multi-domain warfare. Pakistan employ a combination of electronic warfare, cyber operations, and kinetic strikes, showcasing a synchronized approach to modern warfare. Advanced weaponry. The use of hypersonic missiles and long-range drones allowed for deep penetration into Indian territory, aiming to neutralize key military assets. Psychological impact. The swift and precise nature of the attacks was designed to send a strong deterrent message, emphasizing Pakistan's capability to respond effectively to aggression. Aftermath and international response. The escalation prompted immediate concerns from the international community. The United States and Saudi Arabia engaged in diplomatic efforts to de-escalate tensions, urging both nations to exercise restraint and return to dialogue.